Hi and welcome to Around the World in English. We'll be traveling to more than 30 countries, learning English through culture, food, and fun. So grab your passport and join us as we travel the world in English. First stop, Canada.
Hi there. My name is Sophie. I am a First Nations Canadian. I live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I wake up at 7 a.m. and eat toast with peanut butter or a bowl of oatmeal with blueberries, yogurt, and maple syrup for breakfast. I take the school bus to school. Here, school starts at 8:30 and ends at 3 p.m. After school, I play hockey or go sledding with my friends in the winter. In the summer, it's warm and sunny, and we go camping or swimming in lakes. Canada has 4 seasons, and we love the colorful leaves in autumn. Canada is in North America, above the United States. Here are 3 fun facts about Canada. First one, did you know? Canada is a very diverse, multicultural, and a friendly and peaceful country. Second one, did you know Canada is the second largest country in the world? Third one, did you know Canada has 2 official languages, English and French? Here are 3 things you must try when you come visiting. Experience the 4 seasons in Canada. First, go ice skating on a frozen lake for the fun of it, if you are here in the winter. Second, try real maple syrup pancakes. Third, make sure to visit the many breathtaking national parks and natural wonders here in Canada and go camping for a weekend. Bonus tip, don't forget to go on a road trip. Thank you for watching and learning with us as we traveled through Canada. Our next stop will be the majestic United States of America.